Looking at a bright light and suddenly sneezing isn't an allergy. It's a wire crosstalk inside your skull. Known as the photic sneeze reflex, this happens when you walk into bright sunlight. Your optic nerve blasts a massive electrical signal to your brain. But because your visual and nasal nerves run incredibly close together, the raw electricity leaks. It accidentally jumps tracks and triggers your trigeminal nerve, tricking your brain into thinking your nose is irritated. To untangle your body's accidental neural wiring, hit subscribe right now. It's not a cold. It's a sensory short circuit.